As most of you would know, we are going to be talking about the future of laundry industry. So whatever has been discussed since morning today, this would have included some part of the future of laundry industry, people talking about how laundry industry is evolving. And obviously, this industry, like every other industry, has been hit very badly by COVID. So 2020, 2021 was literally a bloodbath. And like every other business, laundry industry also suffered quite a lot. But what we would want to do today as a team is that we would want to focus less on what has happened. So let bygones be bygones and talk more about what we foresee happening over the next decade. And I'm very happy that I'm joined by two people who represent a very, very large size of the industry already. Akash ji, as most of you would know, is a veteran, and I would let him talk about what he has done so far and what he foresees happening. And then Sukant will talk more on the technology piece. He's a tech guy, and he can talk a lot about what kind of technological changes are happening in the laundry industry. Uh, Very quickly, my name is Arunab Sinha, and I'm the founder of UClean. UClean is India's largest laundry and dry cleaning chain. And our journey started about 5 years back when we started our first couple of outlets in Delhi NCR. And then for the next 6, 7 months, we tried a lot of experiments. We experimented with models. We experimented with the ways to reach out to customers. And then as the process evolved, in about 6 to 7 months, we realized that the kind of format that we are creating, which is what I would call a micro format laundry, where you can set up a nice, cool looking laundromat in the neighborhood on an area, say, as small as 200 to 250 square feet, have a laundry machine, have a steam iron table, and then cater to customers that are typically living within a 2 kilometer radius.
Coming from where I come from, with 25 years of experience in the laundry industry, having belonged to this industry, we have never seen such a dramatic setback for the industry, where I believe that 50% of small retail laundry owners at least have actually shut down, all right? And the ones that are existing are actually survivors, and they are looking at gaining a foothold to, to make sure that they are able to grow. Need to come together for the future of this industry, right? Different concepts, all right? A lot of automation, a lot of help from software companies. I think efficiency of equipment definitely matters, all right? So a lot of combinations we will see over a period of time. But what I feel is this is the time where a lot of consolidation within the businesses would happen as well. Let's get our P&L correct. Let's look at our balance sheets. Let's see if we are actually, are we really making profits? If not, let's focus on the profits and help grow from there. And I believe if we take help or collaborate with different, colleagues from the same fraternity, people will put themselves forward and make sure that, they help you.
Consolidation, collaboration, these are going to be the key themes going forward. And a lot of what we do in the future as a brand or as an industry is going to be governed by collaboration and consolidation. But at the same time, this is one industry. If you look at the laundry industry, you would realize that while it is a massive industry, KPMG says it's a $70 billion industry. Deloitte says it's a $60 billion industry. But even if you look at the numbers and take the lower number, you would realize that it is actually bigger than the restaurant industry, the salon industry, the gym industry, and the preschool industry all combined together. So that is the humongous side of the industry. And despite this, because the industry has largely been unorganized, it has not been touched by technology. And this is changing. So we are seeing it very closely. A lot of laundry chains coming, they're embracing technology, they are adopting technology, and that is giving them an edge.
Hi, so my name is Sukant. I actually run a tech platform for laundromats, and this is across the globe. So, and I did this business personally a few years back, like in 2015. I did a multi-city pickup and delivery laundry business in Delhi NCR, which was pretty profitable even at that point of time, which is very shocking to me because I haven't seen that much profit since then. Then I went ahead and worked for Make My Trip, worked for the big industrial companies. I came from Paytm, so I had that background where I knew what technology companies are doing, what changes we are seeing across in our lifetime in terms of how consumers were changing. But then once I started this, but I've always felt like laundry business, people who do laundry business, I'll just say in this way, people who do laundry business are people who have different ideas and who have chosen a better business. It's very hard to do restaurants. It's very hard to do almost all the other businesses which are very low value to start with. The laundry businesses in US at least, where I have had like conversations with a lot of people, we work with a lot of clients there also. Like laundry businesses primarily in terms of the overall size of the market is very huge in US. So the possibility of having a profitable laundry is much, much more possible. It's not easy, but it's much more possible, even theoretically, even physically, to have it to have it in restaurants. It's very hard. Usually restaurants are all about scale. And scale usually does not bring economies very easily in a restaurant, which is a mechanical business. So I feel, first of all, people who do laundries are much smarter. They usually take the harder path. This is not a very easy business for outside people to grab. Yeah, there is a lot of money being built here. Everybody is building shows on everything. Like you can have restaurants, you would have hundreds of shows coming across. So first of all, is laundry a good business? Yes. Then how do I make money into laundry? What I've seen across is, now I have an experience of working with people who are profitable. Nobody pays me because they are going to be unprofitable. So the people that I work with usually have a very firm idea and cost and ideas on their grip and across different countries. And what I've realized is they do not underbuild and they do not understay. So laundry businesses are usually, you have to build an X amount of laundry, a capacity, and then you have to stay for the next 2 years. So I genuinely feel that people who do laundry and who stay are usually extremely successful. We've seen brands across ages. Like I see in US people who have stayed out for hundreds of years. It's very hard to stay in a business which is multi-generational. These are one of the very few businesses which are generational in life. And I feel such businesses are extremely awesome to have. And in future, obviously, technology is building it better. People will adopt it better. And the first adopters will always get more benefit, will always get more brickbat also. Obviously, it would be new for them, but they would always get the first adopter credit. And that is what I have seen that laundry people should do.